So, you know what I mean? You see it, 1, 2, 3. Know what I mean? 3 omnibuses, fat books. If you don't know what an omnibus is, I got you right now. Let me show you what one of them are. Let me show y'all this one. These fat ass books. I know I need to stand up for this. Got a knife. No. My box cutter. My phone. My box cutter. If really wait. Hold on. Alright. Guys. 1, 2, and 3. We got 3 today. Which one should I open first? This one, or this one? We have this, and this. I don't even know which one is which. That's the only problem. Okay, let's get this one. Let's get this one out the way. Oh, chat. I'm gonna open this one. This one. Other one. Right here. We don't know. This looks awfully familiar. Alright. Let's get it. I know what it is. Y'all don't know what it is. I know what it is. Oh man. Wait by see where this. Wait by see my act now. Oh, that shit is mad close. Nah, what the freak, son? Oh, yeah. There we go. Get all that. Ah, he saved it. Yo, for a second I thought he packaged it mad wrong. Okay, we save. Oh yeah. One. Oh yeah. Come on. Open. There we go. Alright. Fire right here. We have some fire right here. Oh my god. How stupid ass. So nice. Like so. Alright, let that shit be like so. Oh, yo! That shit right there for now. My packaging is okay. Alright, came nice. Yo, how you expect me to? My shit almost killed me. But you see it. Let's get this shit. Yeah. Yes, sir. Oh my god. This box out of here, man. That shit right there. Put that shit right there. What you talking about? Yo, I'm hyped. Yo, this the one you don't even know. You don't even know about this one. I think you see it. Oh my god. Get this shit out the box. You know what I mean? Come on. Oh, this shit is in beautiful condition. Oh. Oh my god, bro. I'm nervous. Come on. Slide. Oh! What's good? Deadpool. Let me give y'all a close-up. This is in beautiful condition. Got this shit off eBay. Beautiful deal. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. You see it, man. Oh, that's the first one. I told you wasn't expecting this one. You wasn't expecting this one. I don't know where I put this. I have this shit. This shit is out of stock. This one right here, bro. I was just randomly scrolling one day on eBay, just window shopping. I wasn't even gonna buy anything. And then, next thing you know, this shit right here. What? This shit right here goes for like, what, 150? And then I see like 1 200, 300, 500. I'm like, damn. I'm like, I ain't paying that much. That's crazy. And I saw this one. This is the one I really wanted too. Next thing you know, mate. Next thing you know, mate. Caught this shit for a steal, mate. Know what I mean? Yo, I am happy. I'm happy right now. I'm happy right now. Right now. Oh, I can do this. I think it's the same thing, yo. Same thing, same. Don't need to. Oh no, not same thing, not same thing. Let me. Here y'all go. Know what I mean? Oh! It's right here. It's right here, 5. It's right here, 5. I'm excited. I'm excited to read this. Oh, hold on. I wanna put this up. Open this shit. Like so. This is how you do it. Mink. Like so. It's like right in the middle. Like so. And you just this out. Like so. Let this one go. Let this one fall down. Grab this by the hook. Let it fall down. So elegantly. Like so. Let me put this right here for now. Put this mic real quick. The keyboard real quick. Oh yeah. Put this right there for now. For now. Next one. You know what's crazy? There's only one book in each of these. There's only one book. There's only one book in both of these. And the last box was this small and it's only had that. Like, I could really do that. This is overkill, but I appreciate it because these are very, these ones right here, yo, choose which one. Which one should I go? This one? Left or right? Left or right? I don't know, man. Damn, they're the same damn size too, bro. The same damn size. Let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.